Hello students, good day everyone. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School. So today we are going to see our chapter number 21, Water and Air, subject TVS, and page number 85 and 86. So we will see third part of this lesson through this video. So let's start. So students, we already learned in our last video about how rivers are formed and groundwater, how we get groundwater from the underground, yes, and about the hand pumps. And also we learned that the underground water also can be used by digging wells. In cities and towns, water from lakes or rivers is supplied to the houses through the pipelines. We get this water in our houses through the taps. Some people may get their water straight from a river or a well. But in cities and towns, there are systems that provide water to houses, water supply. So students, we get this water in our houses through the taps. So we get water after removed all dirt or filtered water in our houses through the taps. The water we use for drinking or cooking should be clean and pure. We can clean water by boiling it or by using a filter. We should always keep drinking water covered. We should not pollute water by throwing rubbish and dirty things into wells, tanks and rivers. Water is very useful to us. We should not waste water. The water we use for drinking and cooking should be clean and pure. So students, we always keep in mind that we should always use water clean and pure while cooking also and while drinking also. So, when we boil your water will become a clean. So, always boil your water and drink. Or you can filter water and you can drink this water. So, we should always keep drinking water covered. So, children, you can see here in this picture you can see this water is not covered with any lid, okay, and this picture you can see it is covered, yes. So you always cover your water and drink water when the water is covered, okay. We should not pollute water by throwing rubbish and dirty things into wells. So students, you always keep it in your mind that we should not throw any plastic or any paper, leaves into wells. It become dirty. Yes. We should not pollute water by throwing rubbish and dirty things into rivers. And we also should not throw these types of things into rivers because of it become dirty. Air. The earth is surrounded by air. We cannot see or touch air, but we can feel air when it moves. Moving air is called wind. We need air to live. Plants, animals to need air to live. Plants keep the air pure, clean. We should grow more plants, trees to keep the air clean. Clean air is good for our health. The earth is surrounded by air. So students, do you know there is air around us? We cannot see it, but we can feel it. When we see the leaves of the trees moving It is because of air. When we put on a fan and we feel the breeze, it is the air we feel. So moving air is called wind. Yes. So here you can see the leaves of the trees moving. So the moving air is called wind. So we need air to breathe. So students, not only this, the air is very important for us to breathe. So like us, all living things need air to breathe. Animals also and plants also need air to live. So students, so what we have to do to keep our air clean? So we should grow more and more plants. Yes. And when we grow more and more plants, so these trees also helps to keep the air clean, and the clean air is good for everybody's health. Yes. So thank you children. I hope you understood this rest of the part of this lesson. Yes. Please do practice at home. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel, like and share, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.